Hello everyone, in this video we have this math Olympiad problem. We are given 9 to the power m minus 9 to the power n is equal to 648, and we have to find the values of m and n without guessing the answers. But before we start, you should understand that m and n are integers, right? M and n are integers, so note this condition very well. Now before we start, let's analyze the problem. On the left-hand side of the equation, we have the same basis, but the powers are different. And on the right, we have a positive number, which is 648. So what it means is that this positive number is as a result of this term being greater than this one. And it can be seen that since the bases are the same, then m is greater than m. That is how come we got this side to be positive. So we can state that m is greater than n. But the question is, how can we make m equal to m? M will be equal to n when we add a certain constant, let's say c to n. Or we can also say that n is equal to m when we subtract a certain constant from m. So in either ways, it's going to work for us. So let's pick the first one, and then in place of m, we're going to put the whole of this one, right? So we're going to have 9 to the power n plus c minus 9 to the power n is equal to 6, 4, 8. Great. Now note that if we have a to the power m plus n, this is the same as a to the power m times a to the power n. So from here we can write the whole of this one as 9 to the power n times 9 to the power c, then minus what we have here, which is 9 to the power n. And this is equal to 6, 4, 8. We have 9 to the power n here, and then we have the exact same thing here, so we can factor it. 9 to the power n out, then this side we are left with 9 to the power c minus here we are left with 1, and this is equal to 6, 4, 8. Now note that 9 to the power n is always odd number since n is integer, and then 9 to the power c is also an odd number because c is also an integer, right? Now note that whenever you take odd from odd, I mean the difference between two odd numbers is going to give you even, right? So we know that this one is odd, this is also odd, but when you take odd from odd, we are going to get even. So meaning the whole of this one is an even number. So we have odd multiplying even, right? So let's write the right hand side in such a way that we will have odd multiplying even. So we have 9 to the power n times 9 to the power c minus 1 is equal to, we write this as 81 times 8. So we see that this is odd and this is odd, so we can equate them. We have 9 to the power n is equal to 81. This is the first equation. Then we have 9 to the power c minus 1 is equal to 8. So let's consider this one. 81 could be written as 9 to the power 2. The bases are the same, so straight away we see that n is equal to 2. Then from this side, we have 9 to the power c is equal to, we are taking this one to this side, so we're going to have 8 plus 1 giving us 9 here. And we see that the bases are the same, so it means that c is equal to 1, right? So now we know the value of n, and then we know the value for c. So we can easily find the value of m from this equation over here. So we have m is equal to n plus c, which is the same as 2 plus 1, giving us 3. So in all, we have m is equal to 3 and then n is equal to 2 as the answer to the problem. So let's go ahead and then check whether it is true. So let's check. We have 9 to the power m, which is the same as 9 to the third power, then minus 9 to the second power. And this must be 6, 4, 8. 9 to the third power is actually 7, 2, 9 minus 9 to the second power is 81. And of course, we are getting 6, 4, 8, right? Like this video if you found it useful, and also don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.